sige. Magkakantahan tayo. Si Joris man lang nakakaalam niya kung nasan yung charger niya.
Mama, kita na si mama.
Mama, kain po. Breakfast.
Unreal Engine, get IP address. Alright, you guys are not watching this part. I don't think I should be showing people how to do this. Okay, I think the code that gets your IP address should work now, but let's test it out. This is the entire reason we built this game, so
Ay, may ano pa doon,
I hope
mainit.
this part actually works.
Kaya,
Alright, we have this nice
dagdagan ko na
little
lang.
end cutscene. Take up the computer. And there we go. Wait, actually, wait, that's I forgot that when I'm
ano ba yun?
testing it, it's going
Breakfast.
so nice.
Kita mo? Okay. Kain na tayo, girl.